Good morning traders, I'm Luke from Discipline Trader and welcome to Thursday's live trading. Today is the 25th of May and this is the 5-minute chart on the FTSE that we're looking at just here. Currently the FTSE is right up at its all-time highs. This band here is the highest support and resistance band I've currently got plotted. Above here I've just got the pivots. And below we've got an intraday band here, another intraday band at this level, and then our next 4-hour band is down at sort of the 450 level, just below. So in regards to trades this morning, ideally I would like price action to come down to this band here. Whether I short it from this band this morning remains to be seen. I think that could be a good trade. I don't really like trading before the open, but if the right price action occurs this morning, I may give that one a go. Otherwise, it's just watching and reading how price reacts to these levels. It can be quite difficult when price is up at its all-time highs, as above here we don't really have much to go on. But we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted. Okay, so we're just a few seconds to the open now. We're getting this red bar forming. I am going to give this a go. Wasn't quick enough. If it lets me in, uh, 27.6. There, so the order's set. If that moves down, it triggers me in, which is done there. I will look to literally just trade this down to just above this intraday band of support and resistance just down here. It's got the 200 MA inside as well, so it's definitely a good point for a bounce. Price has moved up over the last couple of days sort of steadily. Nothing really explosive, but the trend on this market is definitely still to the upside. As I said in last week's video, I don't really want to challenge that too much. I'm not going to try and run a short for lots and lots and lots of pips or anything. I think this is a decent opportunity with a high probability of working. So we'll see how this gets on. I think this one could be over quite quickly if it's going to work. I think it might flush down quite quickly. But we'll see. I'll come back to you when we've got more to say. Okay, so a nice quick morning trade. I expected that one to work quite quickly. The reason being that this support and resistance band down here, this intraday one, was a very high probability area for being hit. So looking at the morning price action, we moved down slightly and then we had this engulfing candle just before the open. I was happy to trade that down into this band here, again just because it was so high probability of being hit. I don't know if price is going to move through here, bounce from here, I don't know. I do know that this does have the 200 MA in here as well, so on paper it's a nice place for a bounce, but this isn't a particularly big gap between these two bands. The only reason I traded it this morning was because we managed to get into it within this band, and this band here had such a high probability of being hit. The probability isn't the same going the other way, and like I say, the area between the two isn't great, so I probably wouldn't look to take a long unless it happened, the entry was more within this zone rather than above the zone, depending on what the price action and signal candle may look like. In regards to other trades, I think the ones I'd be most comfortable with would be if price could break down below this band here, revisit and give me a sell signal, or if price could break above this zone, hold for a while, pop back down, give me a buy signal, and then move up, I would be happy with that. But yeah, that's going to be, I think, me done for the day. It was a decent trade. I was happy with that one. So I will wrap up Thursday's live trading at not even 8:10. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found use from watching the videos like this. If you have any questions or anything, please leave a comment in the area below. If there's anything you'd like to see on the channel, video wise, again, leave a comment in the area below, and drop a like on the video if you have enjoyed it. Also subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. But thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.